Hello students, welcome to the first virtual class of IP. In this class, we will be covering the syllabus in 5 units. Number 1, Unit 1, Introduction to Computer System. Number 2, Unit 2, Introduction to Python. Unit 3, Data Handling using NumPy. Unit 4, Database Concepts and the Structured Query Language. Unit 5, Introduction to Emerging Trends. The theory paper is of 70 marks and practical paper of 30 marks. So we are going to start with our unit 1, that is Introduction to Computer System. This is the detailed topics which are to be covered under this unit. We will be using NCERT book which is available for download from NCERT website chapter wise, and the chapter 1 is related to unit 1. Let's start. Part A, Introduction to Computer System. What is computer or how to define computer? This we have been reading since our class 3 and is still same, that the computer is an electronic device that can accept data, process it and give us the desired result. The full form of computer is commonly operated machine, particularly used for training, education and research. Now, computer system is formed by the combination of two parts, that is hardware and software. Both these parts of computer are interlinked, that is they cannot work without each other. All the parts which we can see, feel and touch are called hardware, and on the other hand, the set of programs which bring these hardware parts in working condition is called software. Computer hardware is also known as the components of computer. This block diagram shows the various components of computer system. Here the arrows shows the flow of data and signals between the components. The computer works on IPO cycle, that is input, process, output, and the parts related with input is called input device or input units. Parts related to processing is called processing unit, and finally parts related to output are called output units or output devices. Let's have a quick look on these. First is input devices. The devices which controls signals, or we can say the devices through which control signals are sent to a computer are called input devices. They automatically convert our data into digital form which is acceptable by computer system. The figure shows commonly used input devices. Number 2, processing unit, also known as central processing unit or CPU. It is also referred as the brain of computer. It gets instructions and then fetches data from the memory. Then ALU, that is arithmetic logic unit, performs calculations and sends the results back to memory unit and then to output unit. Hence we can say CPU consists of arithmetic logic unit, control unit and memory unit in the form of registers. At last is the output devices. The devices through which we get our results are called output devices. The figure shows the commonly used output devices. Next, we have used the term data. Now, what is this data? Data is the collection of raw facts and figures which has no meaning, and this data can be of two types: input data, output data. Data which we give to the computer is called input data, and which we get from the computer in the form of results is called output data or information. Further, this output data which we get through visual displays is called soft copy of output data, and which we get on paper is called hard copy of output data. That's all for today. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.